Hey guys, Lego Designer here, and today I will be showing you how to make my 34th, Lego puzzle box. And before this video started, make sure you know how to solve the puzzle box, and make sure you know what it looks like. So let's just make it now. And so to start off with, a base looks like this, which is pretty easy. A 6x6 base plate and some smooth like this. You could pause the video and just put that on, and and then let's put some piece on. So 1x3 brick, 1x2 smooth, 1x1 brick with a 1x1 plate. I guess what show that's right here. But make sure it would facing this way. And now let's take a 1x2 brick like this, and 1x2 plate right there with a 1x2 smooth. Put it right here, and then so this one right here, I guess. Okay, let's just say 2x6 brick, 1x3 brick, 2x2 smooth, 1x2 smooth, and 1x2 smooth, which I guess right here. And then I guess about a 1x2 brick, 1x2 plate, and a 1x2 smooth on top here. And this, so a corner piece brick and a 1x1 smooth right there. Place it like this and put it like that, And now let's make sure puzzle box. Oh, before you do that, let's take a 1x4 brick, 1x3 smooth, and 1x1 plate. Let's put it right here. And this 1x4 plate, 1x1 plate, 1x2 plate, 1x1 plate, 1x1 smooth, and 1x2 smooth. And that is your price. So the 1x2 smooth, make sure it should be a price or just a normal smooth. Yeah, but I want you need to put a price or something. You don't need to, but that's my opinion. So so I put it like this. It would just stick out, okay? So which you could pull it out, or you could create your own, like take some piece and make a hole right there to push that out. But make sure it don't stick out, so it should be like this, so it won't stick out. So let's just put it there. And then this is pretty easy. 2 1x6 smooth, 2 layers of 2x2 plate, and 2 layers of 2x3 plate. Let's put it right here. So it should go like that. And then, so next part is, okay, I forgot to tell you that thing which blocking this from sliding out. So this is a 1x4 brick and a 1x1 brick right there. Let's fit right here. It will turn like this, but make sure it don't. So but we'll put some piece on top of this, so it's cool. So don't worry about that. And then this. So it's let's just take some pieces out. This, so a 1x6 plate. It's kind of blurry, so I will make it pretty easy to see. Wait. Okay, so 1x6 plate, 1x2 plate, and then I guess what is that? Right here. A 1x2 plate with a 1x2 smooth and a 1x1 plate under. It goes right here. And there. So 2x3 plate, 2x2 plate, 1x2 plate, 1x2 smooth. Let's say I'm gonna put it right here and then that. So a 1x2 plate, 1x1 plate, 1x2 smooth with a 1x3 smooth there. let's put it right here. And then 1 by 3 smooth goes right here. So yeah, let's put it right here. And then this is 1 by 3 plate, 2 by 3 plate, 1 by 1 plate, and 1 by 2 plate, and another one right there. Then I want to connect it with smooth pieces. Just slide it right in here. But wait a minute. Okay, you want to take a 1 by 2 brick and let's just stick it right here. Which this piece could just goes right here, which blocking this piece from sliding. And then this is basically 1 by 4 plate, 1 by 1 plate, 1 by 2 plate, 1 by 2 smooth, and 1 by 2 smooth with 1 by 1 plate right there. Okay, and then 2 1 by 3 smooths, and so there's a 2 by 2 plate right here, which goes right in here. I'll make sure just kind of it goes right here, and then the last piece is your roofs. So 1 by 6 brick right here. Okay, so now just put bricks right here. Yeah, bricks right there. And then make sure you want to put a 2 by 2 bricks here. Oh, this kept falling off. Okay, I guess last part is a 6 by 6 plate again, and then 2 by 3 plate, corner piece plate right there, 1 by 1 plate, 1 by 3 plate, and then 1 by 4 plate there, 1 by 2 plate there, and then carefully stick it right here, but make sure that shit goes right on this white 1 by 2 smooth there, and just kind of trying to stick it in. So yeah, it should goes perfectly in. So wait, I will try. So yeah, and that is how you make my 34th edition liquid box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.